everyone. In the last video, I have given introduction to the loops. In this video, I am going to explain about while loop. A while loop is a statement which repeatedly executes a targeted statement as long as the given condition is true. Here we can see the syntax for while loop. While condition, then statements. It will check for the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the statements until the condition is false. Here statements may be a single statement or a block of statements. The condition may be any expression and true is any non-zero value. The loop iterates while the condition is true. While the condition is true, then only the loop iterates. Here we can see when the condition becomes false, the program controls the passes to the line. If the condition is false, it will execute the statements after the while loop. This is the flow diagram of while loop. Here we can see the condition is true, then it will go to the code within the while loop and it will execute the code. Then it will again check the condition. Like that it will form a loop. It will check the condition again and again and it will form a loop until the condition is false. If the condition is false, then it will go to the next statements after the while loop. Like this it will work. Let us execute a block of code with respect to this while loop and see what will happen. Here I am using an online compiler. Let us set the value of a as 15. Let us take the while loop. While $a less than 20, oops, value of a $a. Then I am incrementing a. incr is the command which is used to increment the value of a. Here we can see I have incremented this. Then I am giving a statement puts let us see what it will return. Here we can see if the value of a is 15 which is less than 20, so it is going to execute the statements within this while loop. It will execute the value of a as 15, then it will increment the value of a which goes to the 16, then 16 is less than 20, so it is going to execute the statement. So it is giving 16 here. Like that it will execute until 19. Here after 19, after incrementation of a, it will go to 20. The value becomes 20. So it will check whether 20 is less than 20. As the condition is false, it goes to the next statement. So it is printing the value of a is 20. Here we can see. This is how the while loop works. If we take the value as greater than 20, let us see what will happen if we execute like this. Here we can see is the condition $a greater than 20 is false. It is not going to execute any statements within this while loop, and it will execute the statement after the while loop. This is how it will return. Let us take the value of a as 15, set the value of b as 25, $a less than $b, less than b. Let us increment the value of a. You can see let us see what it will return. Here we can see I have set the value of a as 15 and value of b as 25. I am giving the condition $a less than $b. That is, the value of a is less than b, then it will execute the statement a is less than b when the value of a is $a. And then I have given the statement as increment a. Then after this while loop, I have given a statement print the value of a is not less than b and the value of a is $a. Here we can see as 15 is less than 25, it will execute the statement and it will increment the value of a. Like that it will do until the condition is false. Here we can see if the value of a is incremented to 25, the condition becomes false. So it will go to the next statement and it will execute the print statement, that is puts, and it will execute this statement. So here we can see it will print the statement value of a is not less than b when value of a is 25. Here we can give equal to b. So value of a is equals to b and the value of a is $a. So value of a is 25. Then it will equal to the value of b. Like this we can execute different codes. Try to practice more number of examples so you will get more idea with respect to this while loop. In the next video I will explain about for loop.